After a lengthy hiatus of approximately a year and 6 months, girl group Nature recently made a comeback with the release of their special single, RICA RICA. Prior to the group's comeback, Nature also partnered up with JTBC's Studio Luluwa for the reality series Nature Can't Go Down Like This, where the members were seen getting involved hands-on with their comeback preparations. However, after watching the group's comeback stage on the January 27 broadcast of Netizens Countdown, netizens couldn't help but point out that the girls' choreography is just bizarre. The attention-grabbing choreography in question seems to be one of the point moves of Nature's comeback title track RICA RICA, and is seen during the intro, as well as immediately after the chorus. Netizens commented, "Why are they doing it so vigorously? This makes me sad. It's painful to watch because they are trying so hard on stage, even with this bizarre dance. It looks like one of those choreographies that are purposely poorly made. It would be better if it was like in a funny way. But it just makes you uncomfortable. Someone get he out of there. This is just sad. This just shows how hard K-pop idols have to try to get people's attention, even if it's bad attention. The low quality of the outfits makes it worse. It's just too bizarre. Look at how hard they're working on stage. That is going to ruin their knees. But it looks like a good workout move. And more. What do you think of Nature's latest comeback choreography for RICA RICA?